It's hard to forget hail that size. I had never seen it around here, that size, golf ball size hail. Yeah, when I saw the size of the hail and the noise that it was making, I knew it was doing some damage up there. Well, after a hailstorm or a windstorm, uh, you certainly want to get a roof inspected by someone who knows what they're doing and someone that you trust. There are some neighbors around here who did not get the inspection. I worry about what their roof is going to look like in a year or two with heavy rain and water and snow sitting up there. So I would recommend getting the inspection done ASAP after a storm. I'd say go with someone like Brookens because they've got a history in the area. They're not going to leave the state and not be available for any adjustments that need to be made. The roof replacement was totally efficient. I mean, I would picture several days' work in getting the roof off and replaced, but it all happened in one day. My wife made a point of saying that they cleaned up everything. The place was like there was never a storm when they left. So I have nothing but good things to say about them.